Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to embed link here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To embed a link in Salesforce, you can use different methods depending on where you want to place the link. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon and click the setup. Now, here you would find the object manager. I want you to click the drop-down menu. You can choose to any of the above mentioned object like account, asset, campaign, activity, and contract. I'm going to click on the account. And from here, select the fields and relationships. What will happen is you would be forwarded here. I want you to choose the formula. Later, after you click on the new button here. Alright, so click on formula and click on next. Just put in the field label name. For example, this is going to be this. Okay. Now, I want you to select the text after entering the field label and field name and click on next. Now you see, you can use the simple hyperlink to create a link, for example this, but what I'm going to do is I'm gonna quickly switch to our DPLAF's YouTube channel. Alright, if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button to get notifications on our latest content. We are here to help you solve your problems quickly. I'm gonna copy our URL for the YouTube channel and then switch over to Salesforce, and from here I'm gonna click on this one, put that. You can put in some description if you want. Want to make sure this is going to be for simple formula. If you have coding background or developer skills, you might want to click on the advanced formula if you wanted. But for now, I'm going to leave it as it is. After that, I'm going to click on next. You see, you can choose the field security for the profile. You can use analytics, cloud, integration users, until system administrator. Once you're happy with that, you can check the read only and visible. All right. But if you don't want, just uncheck the section. Then click on next. All right. Want to make sure this is correct. API name is this. I'm going to click on next. You see, there's going to be step 6 of 6. After saving this, and if you wanted to create another one, just click on save and new. But if you wanted to work on this, just click on save. That's one way for you to embed a link. All right. Again, go to the quick find option. This time, we're going to embed a link in an email template. Navigate to setup, email on the quick find, type in email. And I want you to click on the classic email templates. Or if you have the lightning email templates, you can also choose it. Click on the classic email templates. And from here, navigate to where you can create or edit the email template. In this case, create new folder. I'm going to zoom it for you guys. There's going to be an option here that says new template. All right, so you have 4 options. You can choose the type of email template you would like to create. Is it going to be text, HTML using classic letterhead, or custom without using classic letterhead or visual force? In this case, we're going to use the HTML. I want you to click on next. All right, so this is going to be the active letterhead required. You must have an active letterhead in order to create an HTML email template. Of course, we're going to do that because it's required. Obviously, click on next. Just simply follow the on-screen instructions. All right. New letterhead. Click on save, and that's that. All right. I want you to click on it. Okay, so going back here again, click on the new template using HTML. Click on next. Now here, all we have to do is click the option that says edit HTML version. Wait for it. Now in this case, in the template content, add a hyperlink using HTML, right? So you have all these information. So I leave that to you, depending on what you want to edit. For example, if you wanted to put in formula fields and custom buttons using the hyperlink function for ease, or for email templates, you can use HTML tags. For links and enriched text fields or visual force, you can use the standard HTML tags. All right. After that, click on save. And that's that. Now, another option is embedding a link in a custom button by going to the object manager. And this time, you can select the object again, for example, account, lead, and opportunity. Right? I'm going to click on the lead for now. You see, there's going to be an option that says buttons, links, and actions. I want you to click that. You see, you have an option that says new button or link. Click that and it would be forwarded here. Now you can use the content source as URL and enter your desired URL and construct it dynamically using this option. In here, put a small description. You see, detailed page link. If you click on that, you would be forwarded here. All right. The detailed page button is this. The list button is going to be this one. All right. So you have all these. Now, you can have the behavior display a new window or display in existing window with sidebar, execute JavaScript, or maybe display in existing window without sidebar or header. You can put in the URL. Obviously, that's going to be for where we're going to embed the link. And this is going to be some fields that you wanted to put there. You can check the syntax. All right. For example, I'm going to put in something like this. All right. And after doing so, all you have to do is click on save. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.